Welcome, we're going to answer this question before us. It says, which one of the following statements is not true about this graph right here? Okay, these questions always do my head in because you need to remember that we want the statement that is not true. Okay, so when it says the y-intercept of the graph is 0, 4, that is true. Because if we were to let x be 0 here, that would go away, that would go away, y would be equal to 4. That means this statement is true, which means it's not the correct answer because we want something that's not true. Again, don't be thrown by that. I normally am. All right, the graph of the parabola, the graph is a parabola with a minimum turning point. Now, if we think about what this looks like, I have a positive in front of my x squared term, which means it's upright, which means the turning point is going to be a minimum. So that is not true because it's correct. Again, I hate this question. All right, the next one. The turning point is 3, 4, 23, 16. Okay, I can't tell that, obviously. I can't just look at it and tell that. So let's just leave it. There are no x-intercepts. Again, I can't just look at this and tell you whether or not there are x-intercepts or not. And there are no intersections with a line. I can't tell you that off the top of my head. So I'm going to graph this thing to determine whether it's C, D, or E. Okay, so I'm going to go control this, add graphs, and then just type in 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. Make sure you've typed it in correctly, hit enter, there it is. Okay, there are no x-intercepts. That's true. There are no x-intercepts. There are no x-intercepts. So that's a true statement, which means you cross it out. The next one that's really easy to test is E here. There are no intersections with a line y is equal to negative x. Hit tab, type in negative x, and as you can see, there are no places in which they intersect, which means this isn't right either. That means my answer has to be C. You can double check your answer is C by going menu, analyze, minimum, and just kind of, you have to select the graph you want, sweep over it, 0.75, well that's 3 on 4 there, and then 23 on 16, is that 2.875? Well, we can come over here, we can go 23 over 16, whoops, we have to make sure we hit control enter, 1.4375. That's not that, which means this is not a true statement. So your answer is C because it's not true. Again, don't be thrown by these not questions. I really hate them, but they're a reality. They exist, so we have to show them to you. All right, I'll see you later.